New to TikTok and want to sign up? We're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to create a TikTok account in just a few minutes. Now let's get started. If you haven't yet, you can start by downloading the TikTok app for free from the App Store. Once you have it installed, open the TikTok app. Then tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap Sign Up. Choose how you want to make your account. You can take a shortcut by signing up with your Facebook, Apple, Google, or Twitter account if you like. Or you can sign up with your phone number or email address. I'll be using the email option. Type in your email address, then tap Next. Now you'll need to create a password for your account. It must be at least 8 characters long and must contain at least 1 letter and 1 number. Your password strength will be indicated below, so try to make as strong of a password as you can. Then tap Next. Enter your birth date, then tap Next. Now you can enter a nickname for your profile if you like. This will be your display name at the top of your profile and the name that appears on your videos. If you don't want to add a nickname, you can tap Skip in the top left corner. If you are adding a nickname, type it in, then tap Confirm. Your TikTok profile will then be created. If you'd like to customize your username, tap Edit Profile. Now tap Username. Now you can delete the auto-generated username you were given and type in what you want your username to be. If the username you type in is available, you'll see a green check mark below. If it's taken, you'll see a message saying the username is not available. Try adding a number or an underscore to change it up to see if another variation of the name you like is available. TikTok will also give you suggestions for similar usernames that are available below, so you can use one of those instead if you like. When you're done, tap Save in the top right corner. Then your new username will be set and your TikTok profile is all set up and ready to use. That's all it takes to create a TikTok account. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.